in the continuation of series of early camps which we had conducted, the 3 fibroscan camps, both mineral density test, the HbA1c, and today we are having 2 tests being conducted. One is hemoglobin, that is a routine screening test, and most important is BCA, body composition analysis. It is quite different from both by body mass index, that is BMI. So BMI is very different from body composition analysis. In BMI we just measure height, weight, and that's all, and we see whether person is obese or not, or whether person is lean and thin or is underweight. But body composition analysis tells you exactly everything. Like I am reading this report, the patient's weight is mentioned here. So patient's weight is most important. Like in this case it is 76 kg. Then we detect this body mass index. So body mass index again we detect from this test, and then we detect the bone mass. So how much bones have the weight of your body. So bone density is also detected from this camp, and the body water. So total body water in the body is generally 70% of our body weight. It detects both intracellular water and extracellular water. So muscle mass is very important. So muscle mass is again detected here, like in this case is 38.8%, because that's why BMI, that is body mass index, is erroneous, because sometimes some athletes have a very good muscle mass, but they are detected as overweight in BMI. But in this case, they will not be detected as overweight. Another is BMR, basal metabolic rate. How much metabolism is going on in the body right now at the resting stage. And the visceral fat index, ये जो मेरा पेट है, so this is visceral fat index. In Asians, obesity is not important. हमारा जो visceral fat है, that is important. That is the fat which is accumulated in the internal organs of the body. So in Asians, it must be less than 23 in the BMI rate. And in obesity level is again detected, whether you are underweight, whether you are overweight, whether you are obesity, whether you have obesity level 1, 2 or 3, and then the fat mass in the body. The fat mass in the body is actually important, because fat mass is ultimately leading to all many diseases. Then the lean body mass, it also detects your subcutaneous mass also. The lean body mass includes your muscles also, and other little things also. So ultimately what we mean to conclusion is that ultimately the body composition analysis tells us that if a person is obese, what is the problem. So obesity can lead to increased high blood pressure, increased diabetes mellitus, increased coronary heart disease, increased fatty liver, and then increased PCOD cases are coming, osteoarthritis, that is knees are also involved by obesity, and then the cancers. So cancers are increasingly going on in patients which are obese. So ultimately the takeaway is that just reduce your obesity by increasing your exercise, and at least do exercise 150 minutes per week or 30 minutes per day. So ultimately body composition analysis is the ultimate test for assessing obesity, and not body mass index. Thank you.